Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to our shop! My name is Nur Adlina binti Osmera.
My name is Nurul Natasya binti Norizam.
My name is Fitrah binti Azizon.
And my name is Nur Rasheila Abd Rashid.
Today, we are here to sell our company's Fackelmann 5 pieces baking set.
Our new product for Fackelmann is especially for housewives and bakers.
It is much cheaper to buy at our shop because we have promotion price.
Wow, promotion price! That's right, viewers. You must buy the at our shop only so that you can get at only for price RM 139.50 only.
Woo!
This set consists of 5 items, which is the first one is 24 cm spring foam. The next one is muffin pans. The third is cookie pans. The fourth one is measuring cup. And the fifth is egg beater.
Okay, for the first one, we will introduce egg beater. The egg beater function is for whisking and beating. It is very useful to housewife because it was very easy to use, and it also can resist a temperature of 230 Celsius.
Wow.
So high.
Okay, the next one is spring foam. This spring foam is made by wheel embossment, which is for high stability, and it has black and metallic color. Its dimension is 24 cm, and the height is 8 cm. The most important part for this spring foam is the bottom part of this spring foam can easily be opened so that you can take out the cake easily. So, not like the other product, which is you have to buy baking paper. So
It's much easier.
yeah.
Alright, our next product is the muffin pan. As you can see here, there are 3 times 4, 12 molds of muffin pan in this. So with 12 molds, it is much easier to bake a lot of muffin at once. You can save up to 30% of baking time and energy. Not only that, you can bake it at a short period as compared to others. Not only that, this muffin pan is made out of carbon steel, which is also non-stick. It means that if you were to bake muffins in this muffin pan without a muffin cup, the muffin will not stick to this muffin pan.
The next item is 5 sets of measuring cup. The first one, we have the green one, which is 1/2 teaspoon, half tablespoon, equal to 7.5 ml. The second one, we have 1 tablespoon, equal to 15 ml. The third one, we have 1/4 cup, which is equal to 60 ml. The second last, we have 1/2 cup, which is equal to 125 ml. And the last one, 1 cup, equal to 250 ml. This all set come with various color, which is very good because we can differentiate the measurement, and also on its handle it has their measurement.
Okay, the last but not least is cookie pans. These cookie pans, it helps you to cook with confidence, and you also can cook for your daily basis cooking, or for your sweet treat for your family, such as Swiss roll or brownies. And its heavy duty construction and state-of-art coating helps you to regular baking easier.
And the dimension is 39 cm times 27 cm, and it is big enough to cook many cookies and biscuits and also flapjacks. And it is made up by carbon steel, and it will resist uneven shape.
Whoa!
So we are all done to introduce all 5-piece baking set. Next, we will move to demonstration 5. Today, we will only cook muffin by using this muffin pan. So, if you all are interested to buy our product, you can go to this website, and you can call this number at
0123456789.
Bye.
Woo! the muffin that we are trying to do.
Yeah. Now let's do the measuring.
The ingredients for the muffin is milk, egg, essence vanilla, baking powder, oil, sugar caster, salt, flour, and also chocolate chips.
Alright, we will now start with the dry ingredients. First, you need 2 cups of flour.
Oh,
It's really convenient.
And the measurement is also precise.
1 cup.
1 more.
Okay.
Alright, next we need 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
only 1.
And next we need half a teaspoon of salt.
Okay, the next one is I will use this egg beater to mix all these 3 ingredients. As you can see, this egg beater is so easy to use and it mixes
Mix so well.
Yes.
You
want to try?
Oh, sure. Wow, it smells so
Yes.
easy.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay, let's
So
move
easy.
to the wet ingredients.
Yeah.
Wet ingredients, we have the first one, half cup of sugar caster. The yellow one, half cup.
Half cup. So the muffin will be sweet.
The next one, we have milk, 1 cup of milk. 1 cup, the purple one.
You can see how easy it is to use the measuring cups because of its different colors and because of the labeling. You already know which ones to use. 1 cup.
The next one, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. We also need 1 large egg. And the last one, oil. 1/4 cup of oil. The red one.
And again, I will use this egg beater to mix this all ingredient. You can mix it slowly, but surely it will mix well. Okay, you can mix it so fast too.
Make sure that the oil is evenly into the egg and the sugar.
Alia, you want to try?
Yes, thank you. Since Sheila is doing it very so slowly, I will do it very so fast.
Yes, like this. You can do it at slow and this fast.
Oh my god, look at the smell of the vanilla essence.
I can't
so
wait for it to
delicious.
finish.
Alright, there we go. We have finished mixing. Next, we will mix the wet ingredients together with the dry ingredients.
We will mix it slowly.
By using egg beater. The egg beater is very useful. You can use it for many functions.
Wow, the smell is so good.
Mix well the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Of course, you can make sure not, for this recipe, you can make sure not to mix it that well because it is meant to be a little clumpy, like this one here.
You want to try it?
I think this is
good.
I think this is enough. Look, it didn't take that much time at all just to mix it all together.
We will move to the next step. We will set up the muffin pan. We need to put the muffin cup first. Alright, and then we will put the butter into the muffin cup.
For our topping, we will use chocolate chips. Of course, you can also use toppings of your own choice, but we prefer chocolate chips.
Yeah.
You can sprinkle over the muffin, or you can put it at the center, and then you can top it with another batter, and then top it with another chocolate chips.
Can I try?
Alright, we will let Sheila try.
I will try, okay, to see whether this muffin bag is good or not. So, wow,
It's a nice recipe, you should try it.
it's so easy, like
The
people.
cup doesn't move. It's really convenient for you to do this.
Wow, so slow. Yes, I will put many chocolate chip. And Alia will.
I will continue to do the rest.
Yes.
While waiting for Alia, I want to ask Natasha,
Yes?
do you have any idea what to put inside the muffin? Any favorite
Chocolate rice,
chocolate rice? So you like chocolate rice?
especially the chocolate one. I don't like the rainbow.
If me, I like to put raisin. I know it's a little bit weird, but I think it's interesting.
I don't say that I don't like raisin, but I like raisin just
neither.
eat like that, not with muffin.
It got a little spill, but that's okay. After it bakes, it won't stick to the muffin pan because it is a non-stick muffin pan.
Yes.
And voila! This is the end result. So now you can put this batter into the pre-heated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until it has finished cooking. And this will be your end result. Voila! Ta-da!
You got the smell.
It's so delicious and you should try this recipe, and you should also buy this 5 pieces baking set by Fackelmann.
Don't forget to visit our website or call
0123456789.
Don't miss it. Don't miss to buy. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.